Part 1. Core Concepts Explained. In summary, the crypto market cap is basically a total pie chart that represents the value of all cryptocurrencies. Introduce Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, as Bitcoin's slice of that pie. BTC.D is a primary market sentiment gauge. When it rises, for example, towards 60%, capital is flowing into Bitcoin as a risk-off or safe haven asset relative to altcoins. Altcoin dominance and altcoin season is the combined slice of the pie for all other coins. Detail altcoin season, a period when 75% of top altcoins outperform Bitcoin over 90 days. Describe the typical cycle. Bitcoin rallies first, stabilizes, then capital rotates into alts, causing BTC.D to fall. Part 2. The current market landscape. In 2025, altcoins underperformed Bitcoin for the fourth consecutive year. Highlight that Bitcoin dominance hovered near 59 to 60% during market sell-offs, squeezing altcoins. Early 2026 signals are now emerging as a potential shift. BTC.D dipped to 58.76% in late 2025. Mention early January 2026 surges in assets like XRP, up 6%, and Dogecoin, up over 10%. Key indicators to watch are 1. The Altcoin Season Index, currently at 23, far from the 75 season threshold. This suggests Bitcoin dominance. 2. The Others.D Index. This tracks small-cap altcoins. A potential breakout from its downtrend could signal a broad altcoin rally. 3. The Total 3/BTC ratio. This measures altcoin market cap versus Bitcoin. Its multi-year decline shows Bitcoin's growing purchasing power over alts.
Part 3. Forces driving the market. Institutional and macro impact. Explain how Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs have funneled institutional capital primarily into these largest assets, supporting their dominance. Discuss how Federal Reserve policy and macroeconomic uncertainty can push investors towards Bitcoin's relative liquidity and safety. Liquidity is key. Altcoin rallies are historically fueled by abundant market liquidity. The tight monetary policy since 2022 is a key reason for altcoin weakness. The analyst debate. Contrast viewpoints. Optimists point to bullish divergences in altcoin charts and high trading volume as precursors to a rebound. Skeptics, including exchange CEOs, doubt a major altcoin season is imminent for 2026, citing continued market caution. Part 4. Outlook and strategic takeaways. 2026 predictions and scenarios. Present forecasts from major firms like Bitwise, predicting new all-time highs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, partly driven by ETFs buying over 100% of new supply. Outline 2 paths. A sustained altcoin season requires a major BTC.D breakdown and macro improvement. Otherwise, only selective mini altcoin rallies may occur. Actionable insights for viewers. Conclude with strategic advice. In high BTC.D environments, prioritize liquidity and large-cap assets. Monitor the Altcoin Season Index and BTC.D charts for trend changes. If an alt season emerges, diversification and focusing on projects with real utility, like real-world assets or Layer 2 scaling, will be crucial. Always remember the high volatility and risk in the altcoin space.
Key data for visual presentation. Here are the core statistics and metrics from the search results that would be essential to display visually in the video. Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D. 2025 peak range, 59 to 60%. Recent level, December 2025, 58.76%. Market performance indicators. Altcoin underperformance streak, 4 consecutive years, 2022 to 2025. Altcoin Season Index, early 2026, 23. A reading below 25 indicates Bitcoin season. Notable altcoin surges early January 2026. XRP plus 6%. Dogecoin, Doge, plus 10.51%. Ethereum, ETH, plus 4.36%. analyst signals and predictions. Others.D index, small cap dominance, around 6.88% with a breakout target of 13.77%. Bitwise 2026 prediction, ETFs to purchase greater than 100% of new Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana supply.
How to track these dynamics. To stay updated on these shifting market dynamics, you can monitor dominance charts, track Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, and Altcoin Season Index on websites like CoinMarketCap or TradingView. Follow volume. Use crypto analytics platforms, e.g. CryptoQuant, to see if rising altcoin prices are supported by increasing trading volume, a key sign of sustainable interest. Watch macro news. Pay attention to U.S. Federal Reserve announcements on interest rates, as easier monetary policy is considered a potential catalyst for altcoin rallies. If you would like a deeper dive into any of the specific indicators mentioned, such as how to read the total 3 by BTC ratio or the details of the ETF flow data, I can provide further explanation.